Hey there. Now I'd like you to show a section that we have added on the access control, which is the login method. This section allows you to configure which buttons will appear on the sign-in page when users enter into your event. So usually they go to the event page and there's the Join Event Now button. This button will forward the users to the sign-in page if they are not already connected, and usually there we have several buttons like the sign in with Google, sign in with email, single sign-on, and sign in as a guest. We know that sometimes too many options are confusing for your attendees, and you'd like to simplify this process. So we give this a possibility to you to choose which are the methods that you'd like them to use, or the possibility that they have. So you can simply unselect it and force them to use one of these options. So let's say that I want them just to use sign in with email or single sign on or sign in as guest. You can fully configure it. There's only one particularity. If you have an event that's only guest list access mode, the sign in as a guest is not available because you need to identify the users by their email. And I hope that this will, for example, let me just before ending, let's just show you how this looks like on the event page. So for that, I will need to log out, copy the event page. You need to come from the event page. So I'm on event, join event now. You can see that I only have the sign in with email option here available. Great. Hope this will allow you to simplify and customize the experience and the onboarding of your events. And as always, if you'd like extra simplification for your attendees on the onboarding part or on any other part of the experience inside our events, just let us know. Always eager to know more about how you use it Veertly and how you think it can be improved. Thank you very much.